My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Glama here, welcome back. So this is an impromptu video. Wasn't really planning on making a video, and I just thought I would throw on a little bit of makeup just so that I don't look so sickly when my husband gets home. So I just have a tiny bit of makeup on, but my goal for coming in here today was to tackle my makeup drawers and my vanity. I won't show you the vanity because it's a big mess. I shouldn't show you this either, but it's a big mess too. But just to show you what I'm kind of going to be trying to work on today. It's like, ay, look, this is supposed to be my hair drawer, and I'm gonna get all this hair stuff out, and because I have gathered more makeup since buying this drawer, and I couldn't fill it up before with makeup, but now I've gotten so much more makeup that I don't know where to put it, so now I have to empty some of this out and organize things. But look, this is supposed to be my lipsticks. Look, I've got stuff everywhere. I've got just a mess. Let me see what else. Maybe I'll show you what it looks like afterwards if I end up really working on it. I say I'm going to work on it, then I come in here, get frustrated, and I stop. These are my glitters and stuff, my glittery drawer. And the only thing that's kind of sort of organized is this one, my eyelash drawer. So that's sort of organized. And all this does not belong there. When I don't know where to put something, I just throw it up there. I'm like, I'll deal with it later. I've got headbands up here. I've got pantyhose up here. I've got ribbons. I've got receipts. I've got all kinds of stuff out there, up there. And down here, let me see, did I show you this one? This one. This one has my eyeshadows. This one's not that organized, but it's not as messy as some of my other ones. This one has my mascaras right here, my pencil eyeliners, my liquid eyeliners, junk that I don't know where to put that I need to organize. Let me see. This one has all my like face stuff, like foundation. Gosh, see, there is a partition in here. There's a little, you can't see it, but there's like a little partition right there. This had my powders and highlighters and bronzers, and this was supposed to just have like my foundations and I don't know, my foundations and concealers, but it's a mess. I have got to organize things. So that's what I'm kind of planning on doing today. Please excuse what I look like. I'm not looking too good today. And yeah, so I should just show you what this, I should show you behind the scenes what all this looks like. Should I? Maybe I will. I'll do it with my phone right now, and then I'll just, because I don't want to take that off the tripod. Oh, I just found this picture of when I was like 105 pounds. Oh my gosh, I want to look like that again. My hair, well, there we go. I want to focus, but anyway, yeah, that's me when I was skinnier. But I have it as my desktop. I know that sounds vain, but it's not for vain purposes. It's so that I can remember my goal of the weight that I want to be at again. So I need to lose about 18 pounds or so. What else? Oh, I was going to show you this. That's why I got my phone. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take footage of it so that I can insert it into this. I'm so embarrassed to show you what it looks like. Okay, so that you know it's real time, I'll record the monitor of me recording it. And yes, this is my keyboard. I usually have my keyboard slid over here. This right here is my light switch, so I turn off I turn off the ring light with that. And then with just the flip of a switch, I get to turn that light on, this light on, the backlight that I have behind me. So these are all the lipsticks and stuff, even though they're in little containers right here. I've got 2 containers right there. I still need to do something with them. I mean, I've got all kinds of junk over here. I got stuff hiding back there. I got stuff hiding back there. Beauty blenders in there. The mirror I always hold up because it's a 10 times zoom mirror. There's this one right here. These are my little brushes. These are my eye brushes. These little ones are like for the inner eye corner, or my lip brushes. These are for my eyes, all my eyeshadow brushes. These are my face brushes and stuff. I've got a jewelry stand back there, but yeah, it's kind of a hot mess up in here. Alright, so I'm going to shut this off. Alright, so you saw it. So I inserted it there, and yeah. Okay, that was a mistake, I think. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and upload this. Just letting y'all know what I'm working on today. My hair needs washing. It's so messy right now. Anyway, I'm babbling. You know why? Because what's the word I'm looking for? Procrastinating. That's the word. Procrastinating, because I don't want to do this. I want someone to come and organize it for me. I am good at organizing. I just don't like doing it. Alrighty, guys. I'm going to get off of here and get on to that and start cleaning and organizing, because I think it's going to motivate me to make better videos, because I'll feel like, oh, I want to go in my beauty room and sit in my beauty room. I actually do like sitting in here. I like sitting right there, watching my TV. I don't know, let me see. Can't see the TV. Okay, so that's another messy area right there. When I don't know what to do with stuff, let's get this out of the way. When I don't know what to do with stuff, I just throw it right there. But yeah. So that's the dress I had on the other day when I did, what video? The very last video I just did, the April and May Beauty Box 5s. So yeah, I like sitting there with these lights off. Let me show you. With these lights off. And I like to just have these lights on. Yeah. Get out of the shot. I just knocked my curling iron down. So I don't know if it's focusing, but I like to sit there on the couch watching TV in just this low lit lighting. So anyway, let me turn the lights back on. Whoa. What a difference these lights make, huh? Alright. Alright, I'm gonna, see, I told you I'm procrastinating. Alrighty guys, I am going to get started. So y'all have a good day. Don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. And if I get this stuff organized, I will take another shot of this little area and make another video of it. Alright, bye!
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.